You doing a quick wrap for the Eagles. Monday, the 23rd of September 2019, reminding traders use risk capital you can afford to lose. Okay, step by step, we've talked about several important things this morning. First of all, the idea of retesting, where these traders got trapped. That was our opening low, had a push, chop, 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 the knife. We said today, make sure you pay attention to Friday's low, 85 and a quarter. That was supportive. As long as we stay above it, we could perhaps get a little excursion underneath it, but be very careful overthinking that we're going to get a plunge. And part of that reason we said was because we think we need to be waiting for moving averages, that we are, whoops, wrong one. And we are waiting for this to come down. This is a 10-minute chart. The fives are being tested. Above this tells us it's probably over and under. A little bit stronger as long as we're above the blue line. And we said we're so far stretched that probably there was just as good odds today to be thinking about a Taylor Day 3 buy as there was for even the potential descending triangle that could be built. Said this was too small to really consider it, and that we had just as good odds to play a two-way day, come back and retest this 96 to 98. So this will be key this next hour or two probably. And this is the sell, and then here's the buy, Taylor Day 3 buy. Don't forget, we're coming into the end of the month. Could get some window dressing. So realistically, you have to pay attention to these ideas. And the trader, we talked about psychology, and the traders who miss all this and miss overnight, too eager to short. You've got to let it come to you in better odds, shorting a bounce than you are trying to short the lows. And that's still relevant and still holds true right now. This line we also suggested, watch this. It looks like they want to take out the highs. If your mind sees something, draw it. I said this looks to me like shorts are either going to have to start to push back soon, this 95 area, or we're going to come back up and we're going to be testing in that 98 zone, and that you can see as the pipe. We're here now, and then this is your pipe for that 98 test. And this is your 2-day range we talked about. Here was that bear flag that broke, bang. Had the bounce back. We suggested in this range, if you have a 2-day range, we know already this 08, 09 area pretty important. Bottom level is 82s to 87s, let's call it. And then this 91, we said, pay attention here. This could be the flipper right in here. And so far, that's true. So we're bouncing back. In the middle is 3,000, as you can see. And don't forget, that's scene of the crime, FOMC, 0.5. So anybody long side coming into the good fortune territory, 95s to 98s paid for sure, we have suggested. And the flipper, to remind you of that, 98 is the flipper. Support 78s to 83s. We said, let's move this up. We'd had it down here. And now with the stretch, got to put it right here. So that's our new fighting zone. And we can come up and test anything in the range. I think we've trapped, and we said not much action down here under that 83. Looks like the boys have bought. I still think it's fairly neutral, doing range type trading. Anybody above 95 and a half paid for sure. Coming into the 98s. All right, I hope that helps you. Oh, one last look at the angels and demons. Hope that helps you with the morning review. And a reminder, this was also a breakdown right up here. So that's going to be very important in today's trading. 1, 2, 3, third time through. So that's also a retest. Hope you had a good morning. I'll catch you in the Slack room.